Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safely home and be concentrated on your studies. So welcome to my AS2 Educational Point, your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, today I am going to explain you about desert plants. Before that, in previous videos we have already learned about some topic, that is take a nature walk, of that is first is distinct animals, second birds crossword, third the world of reptiles, in the world of dinosaurs. So today I am going to explain you about the desert plants. In desert plants, see here, desert is the driest part of our earth. Despite that some plants are adapted to the arid climate, let's know about some desert plants. Desert is the driest part of our earth. In whole earth, desert area is very driest part where very few rainfalls are take place. Hardly there rainfalls are takes place. Okay. In desert areas are very hot in daytime and cooler in the night time. So see here, we have to study about some plants which are grown in desert area. In desert area, that is, first one is cactus. Cactus is a commonly seen plant in desert area. In desert area, we have to able to see the plants like cactus. It is very common in desert area. It grows in desert area only. It stores large amount of water for surviving in extremely hot and dry habitats. Okay, cactus stores a large amount of water for surviving, for grow well and good looking. It collects its waters. It store large amount of waters in the places like hot and dry habitats. There are around 2000 different species of cactus that differ in size, shape, color and type of habitats. If we search about the cactus, we find at least 2000 different species of cactus. It means there are 2000 different varieties of cactus are there, which is different from each others, which is differ in size also, in shape also, even it differ from also colors, and their types of habitats are also differ from each other. Okay, next is ghost plant. Next is ghost plant. Ghost plant is a cold, hardy, succulent plant with pale grey or with the whitest leaves on sprawling stem. During spring they grow bright yellow flowers. If you able to see here, what ghost plants is a cold hardy succulent plants. It is a very cold hardy succulent plant which is pale grey in color or even whitish leaves. Its leaves are whitest or sprawling stems. During spring they grow bright yellow flowers. During the spring season it grows just a very bright yellow color flowers. It grows mostly in the spring season. Next is that is Ocotilla. Ocotilla is also a desert plant. Ocotilla is also a desert plant. It has large green color spiny sticks. Ocotilla is also a desert plant. It has a large green color and spiny sticks. You see, it means that particular flower stick is what it was large green and it is green color and stick is very spiny. Okay, it can reach height of up to 20 feet. its height grows up to the 20 feet. It means 20 feet height should be grown. This plant starts to bloom in March till June with red tube style flowers. This type of flowers means ocotillo flowers, which is also found in desert area. So it is also desert plants. Its height must be reached up to 20 feet. It has large screen color. It has large green color spiny sticks, and this type of plants starts blooming in March to June. It starts blooming from March to June with red tube style flower. With its flower is just like a red tube style. Its flower is grow like a red tube styles. Clear? Next is Joshua tree. Joshua tree is a rare evergreen plant that grows only in the Mojave Desert. Joshua tree is a rare evergreen plant. It's a very rare. It is a evergreen plant, but it's rarely found. Okay, that grows only in the Mojave Desert. Means it grows only in the area like Mojave Desert. This tree inhabits desert plains, slope, rides and flat topped hills on the altitude between 1.300 to 5.900 feet. It grows only 2-3 inches per year and matures after 60 years. Joshua tree is a rare evergreen plant. Joshua tree is it's very rarely found, and it's a evergreen plant. It grows only in the Mojave deserts, and this type of trees habitats is which type of places they grow is just like a desert plains, desert slopes, or rides and flat topped hills, and like a flat topped hills on the altitude between 1.300 to 5.900 feet. It grows only 2 to 3 inches per year. Means every year it grows at least 2 to 3 inches, not more than that. It always grows only 2 to 3 inches every year, and it matures after 6 years. It takes 60 years to mature. This type of plants, Joshua trees, are taking time of matures is how much? It of 60 years. After 60 years it gets matured. Okay, now come to the last one, that is Mojave yucca. Yucca cichidijera is also called the Spanish dagger. Mojave yucca, in brackets given, Yucca cichidijera is also called the Spanish dagger. This evergreen shrub grows to a height of 16 feet. See here, Mojave yucca is just like a plant which is also called the Spanish dagger. This is also called the Spanish dagger, and this evergreen shrubs. This is also evergreen shrubs. It is the type of evergreen shrubs, and it grows up to the height of 16 feet. What its height? It grows up to the height of 16 feet. Has a few upright branches. And bayonet like leaves from 2 to 4 feet. This type of Mojave yucca trees are grown up to the 16 feet. It has a few upright branches and bayonet-like leaves. And what type of leaves it has? It has bayonet-like leaves from 2 to 4 feet. That leaves are also up to 2 to 4 feet long. Their leaves are 2 to 4 feet long. Its flowers bloom in August and September and fruits in late summer. Its flower blooms in the month of which month? Mojave yucca's flowers bloom in the month of August and September. In August and September it blooms, and fruits are grown in the late summer. In summer season the fruits are grown. So by this we have completed the explanation of desert plants. I will repeat again. See here, we have already learned about the cactus, ghost plants, ocotillo, Joshua tree, Mojave yucca. These are the desert plants. Like there's many more plants are there, like that babool and so on. Okay. So today we have learned about these 5 types of about the 5 types of desert plants, in which I told you cactus. About the cactus is a commonly seen plants in desert area, okay, which stores large amount of water for surviving in a extremely hot and dry habitats. And it is of around 200 different species of cactus. Means cactus are there are 200 different species of cactus are found in the area, that are different. That are very different in size, shape, color, and they are the types of habitats. And the ghost plants is a cool hardy succulent plants, okay, which has the pale grey or whitish leaves on sprawling stem, and it's grow in the spring season. It bloom in the spring season, and when it grow it just bright yellow flower. Just look at the bright yellow flower. Third one is ocotillo. Ocotillo is also a desert plant. It has large green color spiny sticks. It reach up to the 20 feet. These plants start to bloom in March till June, and it is red tube style flower. It is just like a red tube style flowers. And now next, that is Joshua tree. Joshua tree is a rare evergreen plant that grows only in the Mojave desert. Only in the Mojave desert. The tree habitats are like desert plains, desert slopes, rise and flat-topped hills. This like habitats are there of Joshua trees. Joshua trees are found in habitats, desert plains, slopes, rise and flat-topped hills. And the altitude of 1.300 to 5.900 feet. It grows only 2 to 3 inches per year. Means every year it grows up to 2 to 3 inches, and it get mature after 60 years. It get mature after how many years? After 60 years. And Mojave yucca cichlidae. Mojave yucca is also called the Spanish dagger. It's also called the Spanish dagger. It is also the evergreen shrubs grown to a height of 16 feet. It is a evergreen shrubs, and it grows up to the height of 16 feet. Has a few upright branches and bayonet-like leaves. Having upright branches and bayonet-like leaves from 2 to 4 feet long. Their branches and leaves are up to 2 to 4 feet long, and Mojave yucca flower blooms in the month of August and September, and the fruits are grown in late summer, and the fruits are grown in late summer. So I think you will be understood. Okay, by this my explanation of topic desert plants are over. So please take care, stay home safely, and concentrate on your study. Don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel. Okay, then bye, see you. We will meet you in the next video. Whatever the notes or home assignments are given in the PDF, please write it in your particular concerned copies and write it in a good handwriting. Okay, then bye, see you. We will meet you in the next meeting and in the with next topic. Bye.